Hi everyone and welcome to Know-It-All Haven. I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring a surprisingly spiky topic. How many quills does a hedgehog have, and does that number change with age? Hedgehogs are small, nocturnal mammals known for their cute appearance and their iconic defense system, quills. But not many people realize that the number of quills a hedgehog has actually depends on its age. Let's start with what quills really are. Hedgehog quills are modified hairs made of keratin, the same substance that makes up our nails and hair. They are tough, flexible, and designed to protect the hedgehog from predators. When threatened, a hedgehog curls into a tight ball, turning itself into a living pincushion that's difficult to attack. Now let's follow the life of a hedgehog from birth to adulthood. Newborn hedgehogs, also called hoglets, have about 100 soft, white quills. These are hidden under a thin layer of skin at birth so they don't hurt the mother. Within hours, these tiny quills begin to emerge and harden. As the young hedgehog grows, it enters a stage known as quill transition. The soft baby quills are replaced by stronger, more durable adult quills. During this phase, the number of quills increases rapidly. By the time a hedgehog is just a few weeks old, it may already have several hundred or even a few thousand quills. As the hedgehog matures, that number continues to grow. An adult hedgehog usually has between 5,000 and 7,000 quills, depending on the species and its individual size. The European hedgehog, which is the most common species in Europe, typically falls within this range. Here are some interesting facts about hedgehog quills. Each quill is hollow, making it both strong and lightweight. Hedgehogs do not shoot their quills like porcupines, but they do shed them over time. A single quill falls out and is replaced about every 12 to 18 months, similar to how we lose and regrow hair. If a hedgehog is stressed or sick, it might lose more quills than usual, but that's not normal and can be a sign of a health issue. So why does a hedgehog need so many quills? Because they are its main defense. When it curls into a ball, it presents nothing but a surface covered in sharp spikes. Most predators quickly give up. To summarize, newborn hedgehogs have about 100 soft quills. Young hedgehogs quickly grow several hundred to a few thousand quills. Adult hedgehogs usually have between 5,000 and 7,000 quills. Quills are hollow, made of keratin, and gradually replaced over time. It's a perfect example of how nature equips animals with exactly what they need to survive. That's all for today's episode of Know-It-All Haven. I'm Thomas. Thanks for listening, and remember, stay curious.